little explorers. Are you ready for a wild adventure? Today, we're going deep into the jungle to meet some amazing exotic animals. Colorful birds, giant elephants, sneaky chameleons. Who will we find first? Let's go and explore together. It's going to be so much fun.
In the jungle, what's that cry? It's a parrot flying high, red and green with wings so wide. He sings and swoops from side to side. Big and gray with floppy ears, the elephant stomps without any fears. With a trunk that squirts and splashes too. He loves the jungle just like you. So close, what's on that tree? A chameleon peeking out at me, changing colors oh so sly. He hides so well you might pass by, swinging fast from tree to tree. A monkey giggles wild and free. He eats bananas, plays all day, and laughs in his cheeky monkey way. The jungle's full of colors bright, the flowers blooming left and right. A waterfall flows crystal clear, its roaring sound is all we hear. Stripy tiger, strong and bold, creeps through shadows, brave and cold. But don't be scared, he's just a cat and loves a jungle nap. Imagine that. Look up high, what do you see? A giraffe as tall as a jungle tree, with a neck so long and spots so neat. He munches leaves, what a treat. Roars his lion with a mighty sound. He's the jungle king, so proud and round, with golden mane and sleepy eyes. He rules the land beneath the skies. So many animals, big and small. In the jungle we love them all. With Snoopy and Bloopy, come and play. Let's explore more every day.